guys, I am Jia. In today's video, my mama is preparing butter chicken. This butter chicken will taste amazing if served with basmati rice, chapati, roti or naan. So before going to the video, please do not forget to press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get my latest notifications. Please do watch the full video. Over to Mama.
Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. So let's start preparing. The first step is marinating the chicken. Here I have taken cleaned full leg of chicken with the thighs. Take a bowl. To this add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, a pinch of saffron, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon cardamom powder, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix everything well. Apply this mixture on the chicken. The chicken is fully coated with the mixture. Cover it and refrigerate it for 3 hours or overnight. Next, heat a pan. To this add 2 tablespoons of butter. Then add the marinated chicken into it. We will cook it for 7 to 8 minutes on each side. Flip it, then cook again for 7 to 8 minutes. Once it is done, off the flame and keep this aside. Next step is preparing the gravy. Take a heavy bottom pan. To this add 2 tablespoons of butter, 3 cardamom, 3 tablespoons of chopped ginger and garlic, 2 slated green chillies, 2 medium-sized onion chopped. Mix everything well. Next add 3 large tomatoes chopped, 10 to 15 cashew nuts, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix everything. We'll cover this and cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Then off the flame. Once it is cooled down, remove it and blend the mixture into a paste. Add water if required. Now pour the puree back into the same pan and on the heat. Add 1.5 cup of water. Mix it. Then add 5 tablespoons of fresh cream. Just whip it and add into the puree. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. Mix everything. Let it boil. Once it starts boiling, to this add the fried chicken. Cook this on medium heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Fifteen minutes are done. Now to this add 1 teaspoon of crushed Kasuri Methi. Off the flame, our butter chicken is ready. Hope you all enjoyed the video.
So if you liked my mama's recipe, please do not forget to press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get my latest notifications. I'll see you all with the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.